These are my sweet golden grapes which is about to ripe soon, but before it ripes we need to cover them up with a box or pouches to save from birds. I'm going to cover some of them with pouches and some with the box, and let's see what happens after a few days. After a week, you can see the birds have started attacking the grapes, and see, most of them are gone. You will see the bags on the ground which birds won and ate them, and most of the pouches whatever they attack on are gone. So here the bags in the grapes in the bag, you can see they are still on birds mercy, but here the box is still safe. I had few strawberry boxes, so I used some on grapes, and here you can see these look perfect. And I saw the bird was trying to eat them, but it could not get it. So I'm happy about it that the box saved my grapes, most of them. It is July now, so the season for harvesting grapes have started. And first of all, I will harvest the pouches because I see the birds are still trying and making holes in the bag, ruining them, and more than 50% of the bagged grapes are like gone. Some of them I found on the ground, some of them half eaten, half ruined. So harvesting the bags ones first, and some of them were still in pretty good condition because looks like the birds got tired and left them. I'm not going to harvest all of them in a day. Every day I will harvest. I have started with the pouches and left the boxed ones for later because I see the boxed ones are safe but the pouches are not safe. So here the end result is the boxed grapes are good, like they can save the grapes, but the pouches are still in danger till the grapes ripe. The pouches I'm harvesting, they're very sweet, but once the grapes ripe, I find it way sweeter than anything else, even sweeter than sugar.